I wish I could fly too. Fly? I have a way. I will help you. Oh, too heavy.
Bigger and stronger.
Help me.
Coming through with the fuselage. Got it. Almost there.
Solid work, everyone. We're right on schedule.
Push. I'm flying. Hurrah! Hooray! Little deer is flying. So beautiful. Thank you, friends.
No matter how big a dream is, it can come true when we have good friends always there to help us. Right, friends?
Little friends, each of our friends has their own unique strength. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next adventure.
Thank you, everyone. This is the best day.
We make a great team.
Friends, a rare flower is wilting in the far mountains. It gives warmth to our valley.
And we need to save it. Don't forget the water.
All clear, team.
Good luck, adventurers.
Be safe.
The forest looks like a green carpet. Is that it? Yes, the rare flower. We made it! It looks so weak. We have to help it, quickly.
Oh, poor little flower.
It needs water and sunlight.
The watering can and seeds. Look! It's working! It needs more light. It's so beautiful now. We did it! I wish I could fly. Fly? I have a way. I will help you. It's too heavy.
It needs to be bigger and stronger.
Help me.
All right.
Done.
You can do it.
Push.
I'm flying. Wow! Hooray! Deer is flying. It's so beautiful. Thank you, friends. We did it together. I have an idea.
Friends, let's make a farm.
Keep it up, elephant. The seed. It's sprouting. Wonderful. Thanks to teamwork, they had a fulfilling feast.
When we try together, nothing is impossible. Little friends, try drawing your favorite fruit and Sharon's.
It's Crow.
Why did you take our strawberries, Crow?
I was so hungry!
Come to our farm. We have plenty to share. Crow was hungry, just like us before. We must share. Grateful.
Even with a feast here, the forest outside was still bare.
Let's make our farm even bigger.
You're doing great, little guy. Just like that.
Thanks, Monkey. I think I almost got it.
Go!
Wow, look how big they got. My carrot is huge. Try this one, Monkey. It's the best of the crop.
It's delicious. Come on, friends, let's harvest our magical fruit.
When we work together, nothing is impossible.
It's true!
Little friends, try drawing your favorite fruit from Monkey's farm and share it with your parents. See you next time. Save me!
No, it's too short.
I have a plan!
1, 2, 3.
Keep going, keep going!
Little friends, do you see? When we unite and help each other, we can overcome any difficulty.
Oh, look! The flood took away all the flowers here.
Let's plant new ones.
I found this little tree.
Look what we did!
It's beautiful.
Help me!
Friends! Help me!
Let's go!
Careful.
Oh, it's too short.
I have a plan. One, two, three.
Thank you all so much.
We're a team!
Thank you, Kiki. We did it! We did it together!
My dear friends, did you see? When we work together and help each other, we can overcome any challenge. Why don't you try drawing our brave rescue team and sharing it with your parents? Goodbye for now, and see you next time.
Farewell, friends.
Winter! Winter is coming! Not enough food!
Pip, go boo. We need a plan. A plan! Let's begin!
Quick!
Chirp, 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 to Monku.
I have a way.
That's it! Keep going! I'm holding it tight! Chirp, chirp! Hooray!
Heavy, too heavy.
What do we do now? Ha ha! I know!
Let's go. Food train.
We did it! Goodbye! See you next time!
Look, snow. Chirp, chirp, snow. It's so fun. Poor little bird.
We can help. That poor little bird.
Chirp, chirp. We can build a warm home. Chirp.
Push!
Almost there.
Just right.
Chirp, chirp!
So cozy. Soft for little friend.
It worked!
Yay!
Chirp, chirp!
We need a bigger plan.
We can do it. I have an idea.
perfectly. See you later, guys.
Whoa, steady there. I'm taking the inside line.
Come on. That was close.
I'm coming through!
I will win. Just watch me.
Get out of the way!
Oh no! I'm stuck! Help me! Don't worry, I'm coming!
Hold on tight!
Together!
Thank you, Hikon. You saved me. Finishing together is the most fun.
You earned it, Hikon!
This victory belongs to all of us.
Our friendship is the real prize.
Helping friends is even more important than winning. Isn't it, little friends? If you like Brave Hikon, try drawing him and his special rescue card.
Then show your drawings to your parents. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. That was quite an adventure, wasn't it?
Yes, but we learned something important.
Your arm is so clever, Hikon. It's always ready to help. Thank you again for saving me, friend.
We always help each other, Thỏ Trắng.
Look! What's that over there? It looks like a new adventure.
I wonder what we'll find.
Let's go explore it together.
Yay! Another adventure!
See you next time. Don't miss our next big adventure. Let's start now!
Whoa! That strong a jump will burn down the stage! The water is a bit salty. Let Kiki try again. Perfect.
All right, I surrender to nature.
Time to feed the cows. Cows, breakfast is here.
Slowly now. Slowly now.
Wait! That's my hay! It looks heavy, but I bet it's light. Oh, you little rascal! Go on, little one! Fresh snack for you!
Finally!